All right, guys, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be checking out Near, okay, Near protocol. I really love this one. It's definitely like in my top fives for 2022, to possibly 10x, 100x, 1000x. Okay, who knows exactly, but I know that this one is going to explode massively in at least the number of users. Okay, so the more users and transactions going on the blockchain and things being used on the blockchain, right? Um, in a sense, right, people would think that that would create the price to go higher. Okay. Now, whether the price action reflects that is fine. I'm not too worried about that. I think that it's going to explode. Okay. Eventually. Now, it may be, a year, 5 years. I do think that this is a great long term hold. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. And let's go ahead and break it in to the chart. Okay. So, I gave you guys the bullish price targets that it's never seen, okay? And I just want to show you guys how well it's been respected, okay? So, this was our chart. We had this stuff. We didn't have these bullish price targets up here, okay? They weren't here in my last video, okay? But, I gave you guys, hey, these are the base support levels, all right? Meaning, as long as we stay above these levels, we're going to be good. And then this blue line is our breakout level. And once we get past the breakout level, we have these bullish price targets we can hit. And, it's always good to like trim some profits, take some profits, something like that whenever you're, whenever you're trading something. Okay. You want to have a price target, somewhere in mind to take profits. You don't want to just hold forever and never know when to sell. So if you give yourself price targets, you can sell a piece at each one of these price targets as it hits it and secure a little bit of profit along the way, right? So this way, now next time it pulls back, you have money now to buy the dip, as they say. Okay. So a stop loss or a trailing stop loss is also really helpful. um but yeah, so let's go back into this chart a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna zoom in just a little bit more. And as you guys can see, we're basically finding support right along the bullish price, the first bullish price target right here, which is nice. Okay, so we hit it, we got past it, and we're trading above it right now, using it as support. And if we see it maintain this as a support level, look for it to keep going higher. Our next resistance and bullish price target is going to be at 19.47, and then above that it's going to be 21.449. All right, now of course near can go much higher than this, definitely. I think in the future we'll definitely see her near in the hundreds. But for now, these are my bullish price targets. It can rally much more, but let's look at it on a short-term level. Okay. What we had today was the Fed put out their CPI report. Okay. And there's been a lot of inflation talk going on. Okay. And people always say, well, okay, well, isn't crypto your hedge against inflation, right? Well, the thing about that is yes and no. But yes, because it is, but no, because these same whales that you call it are institutions, and algorithms trading crypto, right? Trading with millions and millions and millions of dollars of cryptocurrency. So, those are the ones who are concerned about the CPI and the inflation, right? Because they're trying to determine what they're gonna do with their money. Are they gonna put more money into crypto, or are they gonna put more money into this asset? Or they're trying to figure these things out. So Jerome Powell, in my opinion, okay, let me just break it down for you guys. Okay, in my opinion, all of this, right, all of this crashing and all of this going down and consolidating through the month of December and January in cryptocurrency, not so much near's been doing great, but like December, January, crypto was not too hot, right? That's because of all this. They've been waiting for this inflation data and CPI stuff to come out. So now it's come out, and it came out exactly as what they forecasted when they priced in all of these fears. So that's why we're seeing everything running now, because, oh, hey, okay, well, we priced in all the fears, right? And now it's exactly what we feared. So if we priced in fears and it's exactly what we feared, we're good to go, right? So that's why you're seeing a boost in everything now, is because we're in the clear to go, basically, whales and people like that. All right, so keep in mind what I said. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching this video. Okay. Yo.